Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change password on CoinGecko account. Changing your password regularly in CoinGecko is a great security practice, especially if you use CoinGecko to track your portfolio or manage price alerts. First of all, launch open the CoinGecko application on your device to get started. After you're inside the home page after logging in, click on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you open up your profile section, go ahead and select My Account at the top. Under My Account, you'll see an option that says Change Password. Tap on it. Now click on the Continue button and you'll receive an email instruction on your provided email. An email will be sent to you on your inbox. Go ahead and open it up. You'll receive an email from CoinGecko to reset your password. Tap on it and click on Change My Password. Now this will take you to the Changing Password page where you'll need to verify yourself as a human being. And there you can change your new password. In the first field, enter your new password you want to change to. Enter your new password once again in the Confirm field. And finally click on Change My Password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your CoinGecko account. Next time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly updated password if you are trying to log in via email. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.